Welcome back to Wellness Whistle. Are you looking for a powerful way to boost your nutrition? Today, we're unlocking the superfood secrets of drumsticks, also known as Moringa pods, and showing you why they should be part of your healthy eating routine. Drumsticks, or Moringa pods, come from the Moringa oleifera tree, often called the miracle tree, because almost every part is edible and rich in nutrients. These slender green pods are commonly used in Indian, African, and Southeast Asian cuisines. So, what makes drumsticks a superfood? Let's check out the key benefits. Packed with vitamin C, great for your immune system. Rich in iron and calcium to support healthy blood and strong bones. Full of antioxidants that help fight inflammation and boost overall wellness. High in dietary fiber, promoting better digestion and gut health. Regular consumption of drumsticks may help control blood sugar levels, a benefit for people managing diabetes. Their anti-inflammatory compounds can support joint health and lessen symptoms of arthritis. The vitamins and minerals in drumsticks also promote glowing skin and healthy hair. Eating drumsticks can be delicious too. Here are some popular ways to add them to your meals. Add to sambar or stews for a nutritious Indian classic. Steam and toss drumstick pieces in salads. Use in curries or soups for extra flavor and health benefits. Before cooking, make sure to wash, peel, and cut the pods into finger-length pieces. The flesh and seeds inside are edible, but the outer skin can be tough. Let's make a quick drumstick curry. Heat oil and add mustard seeds, onions, tomatoes, and your favorite spices. Add chopped drumsticks, some water, and simmer until the pods are tender. Serve hot with rice or roti. Simple and nutritious. So next time you're at the market, grab some drumsticks and unlock their many health benefits. Have you tried drumsticks before? Leave your favorite recipe or experience in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more nutrition insights every week.